Every time you season with herbs or spices, your diet will be full without adding calories. You only need to generously add herbs and spices to the dishes. You can turn the plain and tasteless things into things that are truly amazing and good for the body. Did you know that some herbs and spices contain many of the most effective antioxidants? In fact, many herbs and spices rank even higher in antioxidant activity compared to many fruits and vegetables, such as cloves, turmeric, and cinnamon. Some spices contain 10 to 50x more antioxidants compared to blueberries. The antioxidants in spices have a very effective protective effect on certain serious diseases, such as cancer, heart disease, diabetes, arthritis, macular degeneration, Alzheimer's disease, and aging. Herbs and spices add a lot of extra flavor. When used in combination with nutrients in other foods, they can really stimulate the natural antioxidants, phytonutrients, and anti-inflammatory abilities in foods. Click the link below the video to learn about the healthy eating plan. In addition to antioxidants, herbs and spices can also help burn fat and promote metabolism. Many herbs and spices are pyrogenic, which means they naturally help increase metabolism, partly because they are rich in nutrients. Help stabilize blood sugar. Some spices can also regulate blood sugar and control insulin, even as good as some diabetes drugs. If your blood sugar levels are well controlled, you are more likely to be overweight and may burn fat and cannot store calories. Powerful anti-inflammatory properties. Scientific research has shown that herbs and spices can actually perform better than some drugs for sedative effects without causing adverse side effects of the drugs. Antibacterial, antiviral, antifungal. Many herbs and spices have properties that effectively kill dangerous pathogens, such as viruses, bacteria, and stubborn fungi. The natural properties of these foods can resist many microorganisms that are resistant to conventional drugs. Here we take a look at the 10 most powerful herbs and spices you can eat. 1. Basil. Basil is a very effective anti-inflammatory herb, with extraordinary therapeutic effects on arthritis, allergies, and inflammatory bowel disease. In addition, basil also helps kill harmful bacteria that cause food poisoning, including Listeria, Staphylococcus, and E. coli O157H7. Basil is also an important source of beta-carotene, which is a powerful antioxidant that prevents free radical damage. Free radical damage is the main cause of heart disease, cancer, and many other serious health problems and aging. Because of its dark green color, it is an excellent source of vitamin K, calcium, and magnesium, and is good for bones. It is also an excellent source of iron, manganese, vitamin C, and potassium. Use large amounts of fresh and dried basil in food to maximize its effect. 2. Cinnamon. This ancient spice is one of the highest antioxidants among all spices. Cinnamon is very effective in stabilizing blood sugar levels, which is very effective for people with diabetes types 1 and 2. In a study of people with type 2 diabetes, only 2 teaspoons a day reduced blood sugar by 20 to 30% and lowered LDL cholesterol and triglycerides. Click the link below the video to learn about the healthy eating plan. Cinnamon also contains powerful anti-inflammatory drugs that help relieve pain and stiffness in muscles and joints, including arthritis. Cinnamon has a positive effect on brain function, and the smell of cinnamon or chewing gum may help improve memory and concentration. Cinnamon can also reduce inflammation in blood vessels, leading to atherosclerosis and heart disease, and has antifungal and antibacterial properties. 3. Cayenne pepper. This powerful spice not only warms your dishes and body, but also increases metabolism, while helping you burn fat faster. An interesting study shows that when a person uses red pepper to drink an aperitif, they eat 15% less food. For those who prohibit chili, because you think it will make your stomach upset, knowing that it can actually help digestive tissues heal, stimulate digestive enzymes, and help prevent stomach ulcers. Cayenne pepper can reduce cholesterol, triglycerides in the blood of LDL, and reduce the formation of harmful blood clots, all of which can prevent heart disease and stroke. It is also a very effective anti-inflammatory drug, which can be used for headache, arthritis, and muscle pain, as well as for nasal congestion and strengthening the immune system. Try peppers in eggs, soups, stews, peppers, and even meat in the morning to enhance metabolism. 4. Clove has a unique sweet and spicy taste, but also contains powerful natural medicines. Clove contains powerful bactericidal and bactericidal ingredients that help fight infections, ease digestive problems and arthritis pain. One of the best and most famous uses is its ability to reduce gum and tooth pain. Among all spices and herbs, clove has the highest antioxidant ORAC content. Clove oil kills bacteria and is suitable for scrapes, cuts, fungal infections, itchy rashes, bites, burns or bruises. Cloves also help solve digestive problems such as gas, indigestion, nausea, vomiting, and kill harmful parasites, bacteria, and fungi in the digestive system. The smell of cloves also helps promote intellectual creation. Cloves can be a wholesome ingredient in hot tea. 5. Cumin. Cumin is another spice that is particularly rich in antioxidants and is known to be particularly beneficial for digestion. It stimulates the gallbladder and pancreas to secrete enzymes and bile, which break down food into nutrients that the body can use. Cumin can also help detoxify the body, and is very effective for respiratory diseases such as asthma and bronchitis. Cumin, like cinnamon, helps keep blood sugar levels stable, which means it is ideal for people with diabetes or pre-diabetes, which means there is less chance of gaining weight and increasing body fat. Cumin has been shown to be as effective as some common diabetes drugs by regulating insulin and glycogen. Cumin is also a good source of iron, vitamin C and vitamin A, which is good for the immune system. Cumin is great for peppers. 6. Turmeric. It is orange-yellow pepper, and curcumin is the main active ingredient of this super spice. Its anti-inflammatory effects are actually comparable to drugs such as hydrocortisone and anti-inflammatory drugs such as Advil and Motrin. However, unlike drugs, curcumin is not toxic at all. Curcumin slows the development of Alzheimer's disease more effectively than other drugs because it can reduce inflammation and oxidation of the brain. This spice can also speed up the recovery time of stroke. Turmeric and its active ingredient curcumin are also very effective in treating irritable bowel syndrome, ulcerative colitis, Crohn's disease and arthritis. Turmeric can also improve liver function, reduce homocysteine and prevent heart disease. Most importantly, turmeric is one of the most powerful anti-cancer spices that can help protect you. Turmeric and its derivatives are currently being studied in alternative cancer treatments. 7. Rosemary. The active ingredients contained in rosemary are powerful antioxidants and anti-inflammatory drugs. For a long time, rosemary can improve concentration, enhance memory and fight depression. It can also strengthen the immune system, improve blood circulation, stimulate digestion and fight cancer. Rosemary is very effective for respiratory diseases such as asthma, chest congestion and respiratory infections. Rosemary can add flavor to meat dishes, while stimulating the gallbladder to release bile, and also helps digestion. Rosemary will protect your body from the harmful effects of carcinogenic toxins and prevent colon, stomach, breast and lung cancer. Fun fact: if you want to grill meat, pre-marinating in a liquid mixture containing rosemary, other herbs and spices for several hours can significantly help reduce HCA, heterocyclic amine, which is a carcinogen, grilling when meat is formed. Therefore, the use of rosemary, thyme, garlic, oregano and other spices in meat marinades before grilling can significantly reduce any carcinogenic factors that would normally form on barbecues. The research specifically mentions the antioxidants in rosemary and thyme in the marinade as effective inhibitors of HCA formation when grilling meat. But it was also pointed out that other spices, such as garlic, oregano and other spices, can help prevent the formation of HCA, so I suggest you still use delicious spices. 8. Ginger. Ginger is very powerful for your health. Ginger contains more than 25 different antioxidants, making it extremely effective against free radicals in many different systems in the body. Ginger is known for its ability to reduce nausea and vomiting and motion sickness. In fact, ginger is even more effective than dramamine, one of the most commonly used motion sickness medicines. And like many medicines, ginger has no harmful side effects, so it is very beneficial for nausea during pregnancy. Ginger is also an anti-cold medicine that can relieve sore throat caused by colds and flu. Ginger also helps cough and is an effective expectorant. When you are sick, you can try boiled hot water, a few slices of ginger and a small amount of honey and lemon tea as a tonic. Since ginger is a powerful anti-inflammatory drug, it helps reduce the pain and swelling of arthritis and muscle aches. It can also fight cancer, lower cholesterol and prevent blood clots that can cause stroke or heart disease. Sometimes I like to add a slice of ginger root to the hot tea, and of course I like to add ginger to the sushi. I take a few ginger capsules a day because it is not commonly used in dishes like other spices. 9. Oregano. The oil contained in this plant is a very powerful antibacterial, antifungal and antiviral agent, rosmarinic acid, also found in rosemary. Oregano oil has been used to treat various diseases ranging from bacterial and viral infections to stubborn parasitic and fungal infections. Although oregano oil is most commonly used for medical purposes, the plant itself can provide many of the same benefits when consumed regularly. Oregano can also reduce internal or external inflammation and relieve allergies, headaches, and pain without side effects. Oregano is very high in the ORAC grade of antioxidant value. 10. Thyme. The active ingredient in thyme can treat bronchitis, sore throat, chest congestion, laryngitis and asthma. Thyme is so effective that it is usually an ingredient in drops, anti-cough and mouthwash to treat inflammation and infection. Thyme can also effectively help the stomach relieve gastritis, indigestion and colic. Thyme helps prevent cancer, improve memory, treat Alzheimer's disease, soothe nerves and relieve depression, nightmares and insomnia. An interesting finding about thyme shows that it actually stimulates the amount of DHA, an important component of omega-3 fatty acids, in brain, heart and kidney cells. Here are some of the health benefits of other popular plants and spices. Rosemary, turmeric, ginger and basil are effective anti-inflammatory drugs. Cumin, turmeric, and sage help fight dementia. Cayenne pepper, cumin, coriander and cinnamon help regulate insulin and blood sugar and help reduce fat. Lemongrass, nutmeg, bay leaf and saffron have a calming effect. Garlic, mustard seeds, hawthorn and chicory are very good for the heart. Basil and thyme can help your skin become softer and smoother. Turmeric, garlic, basil, cinnamon, thyme, saffron, garlic and ginger stimulate the immune system. Coriander, rosemary, chili and black pepper can help relieve depression. Click the link below the video to learn about the healthy eating plan.